morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Shout out to you guys. Lunar Beaches, crypto in the house. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we all doing? What's going on with Bitcoin? We getting news today. Is there something interesting going on today? Oh, we're already in a great mood. How we all doing, guys? Hope you're all doing well. Much love to every single one of you. We had a fun stream yesterday with the cowboy hat on. Lone Ranger, baby. Yeehaw! However, in all seriousness, we need to make sure that we're ready for the interest rate decision. That we're probably coming in flat, okay? Hope you're all doing well. Let's jump into it because that's what we do here. First of all, what's going on, Lunar Beaches Crypto? Hope you're having a wonderful day, my friend. Good to see you. I haven't watched your live stream from last night, but I will watch it later on today. And I will press like and I will press a comment, because that's what you do for friends. Dave Digital, what's going on? My man, the myth, the legend, with the wrench, throwing wrenches at people. Darren does things. Also in the chat. I think you guys sound a bit bullish this morning. And I'm looking at my chart and I'm like, you know what? Me too. Because why not? Okay, let's see what's going on. We were looking at some interesting things. Hey, Jeet Corp, what's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. Get that meditation in this morning, that healthy mindset. A lot of you guys are clicking on mindset here. Today is the day to practice mindset. Well, we're getting a lot of volatility. We're getting a lot of things coming our way. So to be healthy between the ears can pay dividends in the long run, okay? So yesterday, we gave some pretty nice setups. Pretty nice, okay? We gave some pretty nice setups. We gave the long from down here, okay? We gave the long from here, and we gave the short from here, okay? So don't forget to join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. But we gave the setup from here, and the setup from here, and this morning we're giving the setup from here, okay? So this is all with confirmations, okay? Use it as you wish, okay? This is not financial advice, but however, we did give the setup from there. And we did give the setup from here, okay? So we are giving these setups. If you take them, you take them. However, if you don't, you don't. But at least you can see what I'm looking at, sharing what I did. And guess what? Yesterday, we made some good chunk of change, okay? We made some good money. Today, we're looking to do the same. Every day, we're coming to the charts trying to kill it. So I hope you guys are here for the goods. Darren doesn't care what way it goes because he's in a massive schlong, which is a short and a long. Don't get it twisted, okay, my friends? Don't get it twisted. Johnny Watchman, what's going on, my friend? The man with the beautiful blonde locks, okay? The man with the beautiful blonde locks on the emoji. Very, very handsome looking character you got down there on your circle. I can see it, okay? So what's going to go on today? We got a lot going on today. However, we can be prepared, right? We can be prepared for whatever's coming our way. So if we go to the impact, we can go here. Mr. Lunar Beaches Crypto was talking about this right here. ADP, employment change. You see what mine said? Mine said forecast 65K, came in hot, 113K. And what did you say? What are these about? So the ADP shows labor market tightening. Chance of pause basically 100% bullish, but be prepared for market effery in the short fuckery. Let's say it, fuckery in the short term. Okay? We got $48 sold in the chat as well, okay? So very interesting. Sometimes you don't get the most important things on the 3-star impact here. So you got to be very selective, but we do have two things, jobs and manufacturing at 10 a.m. and then, the interest rate. And I think the press conference is going to be the one that really moves the markets today, because I think we all know that we're staying at 5.5%. if they want to drop the ball on us and scare the shit out of the market, which I don't think they want to do. So I think the press conference is to see what Mr. Pow Pow is going to say is going to be the most interesting. Okay, so let's be ready. Let's be using good risk management today. And like we said, we got to practice good mindset, okay? Let's say fuckery. Why not? It's just fuckery. It's just a word, okay? Solana's going to the bloody moon. See, I almost said the effing moon. You know, I'm trying to be a professional here, okay? Link is cooling off, okay? Bearish divergence, possible retrace. I'm thinking to the 786 here. We'll have to wait and see. So Link is looking to cool off, which is, you know, after such a massive move and everybody and their brother and sister so bullish on Link, we could see a little bit of a dip and a continuation. So there might be a buying opportunity is what I'm saying on Link, okay? ADA got crushed. Okay, we had this beautiful uptrend here. ADA got crushed down. Okay, so another possible buying opportunity depending on your sentiment on these alts. Okay, and then Bitcoin's chopping sideways, baby. It's just chair pow, G Corp, chair pow. Bitcoin just doing its thing here, letting those stochastics, those oscillators reset, coming sideways here, just to dump on our ass or pump on our ass. We'll have to wait and see. We got the little bit of a BART pattern coming on here. Can we see BART come into this area? I mean, everybody can see the ascending triangle that we're in right now. What are the market makers going to do to us, though? What are they going to do to us? Are they going to fake us out and then dump on our ass? Well, it doesn't matter. We'll be prepared either way, okay? We're going to catch some tops and some bottoms today, my friends. So let's jump into it and make sure that we're prepared, okay? So initially, I've given the trade setup in the Discord, okay? We'll go to the 1 hour. We'll look at this initially because we always like to set you up with what we're looking at initially, okay? So we have this top here. So we're obviously going to be looking for shorts up top here, but most likely is this zone here. This is my kill zone, okay? This is the 786 golden pocket retracement from the top of this range here. I could see a little bit of a wick up coming to our zone here where we look for a reaction where everybody, we need confirmations. Remember, we need confirmations where everybody's like, we're going to the moon. And guess what? It dumps on our ass, okay? There's that idea, okay? And then there's this ascending triangle idea that we're looking to grab a low from where we're at, 34,200-ish area with confirmations, of course, where we're looking to grab along, okay? And then we also have the swing failure pattern that we're always ready for to the downside where we can look for a pump as well, okay? So there's many ideas when we're in a range of where we can look for price to go, and then when we let price react, do its little wobble wobble up and down thing, wobble wobble up and down thing, and and then we look to execute our trades, okay? And this is with a healthy mindset, with trade setups and putting the beautiful, I've lost my words, putting all the confluences, that's the word, the confluences in order, okay? If we pull the fixed range volume profile across, we can see we're at the point of control. And we also know that we also have a very big volume node below us here, okay? So around 34,000, and then up where we're at right now, where we're chopping sideways, okay? So be careful today because there is news and there's a lot of things coming out and they're going to try and wreck you, okay? They're going to try and wreck you. It's going to be choppy. It's going to be interesting. In and out, pay yourselves, get paid, stay away if you are trading today. Mark Dutch, I typed handsome cowboy shooting digital wrenches and Google sent me here. What's going on, Dutchy? I'm going to start calling you Dutchy because it is literally my favorite donut in Canada. You know, Canadians are the most donut-eating nation in the world. We love a bit windy and limp. Okay. Mark Dutch always with the comedy. Love it, man. Love it, man. Glad you're here, brother. Good to see you. Okay, so that's the initial idea for Bitcoin. I currently, right now, I just have a short here waiting down below. We'll have to see if it comes, okay? we'll have to wait and see if it comes. So I'll pull it over here. And you can see I just got a limit order down here. You can see we got a little bit of a dump and a pump here. So I'm just waiting with it here. Oh, hopefully execute a nice long in the short-term time frames here. So we'll see if it comes down to our level. But we need to be patient, okay? We need to be patient with this crazy environment, okay? Looking at the Dixie has pumped up and it has put in a new high. So we could be looking for this to cool down. Okay, this is very interesting. So we always reference for confluence to Dixie, a new high here. So we'll look for a downwards action, which could mean upwards action for Bitcoin, as they say. And then the ES will restore our connexione, and we can see that we've had a push up. Okay, that's a good sign for Bitcoin as well. Okay, good sign on the S&P as well. So just building some confluence just to put our ship in order. To steer the ship the right way, we must always be ready, okay? So we're going to take off our levels here, and we're going to objectively look at the charts here on the market cipher B. Okay? Okay. So one thing to know, we got a monthly candle, man. Look at this monthly candle, baby. Holy smokes, Batman. That is a bullish ass candle, okay? That's a bullish candle. We got our monthly candle. Happy November. Happy belated Halloween. Hope you're all having a grand old time. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Much love to every single one of you guys. And any suggestions, keep them coming. Let's keep it going, okay? So we got a massive bullish monthly candle here for the month of Pumptober, okay? And from my I'm pretty sure that Novembers are bullish, okay? History of BTC monthly. I used to have this chart. I don't know where I put it. Yes, CoinGlass, Bitcoin returns, okay? This is the one. So we go over here. CoinGlass, Bitcoin returns. Let's look at November. Ooh, so November, monthly returns, November. Okay, without this outlier, 449%. We're going to pump, baby. November, last one was pretty flat. The one before was pretty, okay. Negative 16, 42. Okay, so, I don't know. I think looking at this, we're due for a pump. Pumpvember? We'll have to wait and find out, okay? Mark Dutch, you're going to get silenced with your donut talk. Oh, man. Boston cream? I went there. Okay, I went there. So we got the monthly candle, very bullish looking, okay? Also with the weekly, we can see that we had the beautiful green dot triggering to the upside, massive push up from that. And we can see that we are becoming a little bit overbought now. So, you know, we got to be very cautious here with this overboughtness, right? We could expect a pullback and a continuation to the upside. We do have key level of support down here, and then we have another one at 32.8 as well. I don't know what button I just pressed there, but get out of my way. So we do have a support here, and then I've marked out a 32.800 area as well as a key level of support as well. So you have two key levels of support just below us here, and they are on my levels here. So we are watching those levels below. Pardon me. Where we're looking for price to bounce if we do fall to the downside. However, right now, this is a bullish pennant or ascending triangle, and we're looking for this to pump to the upside. So we need to make sure that we're prepared for up or down, depending on which way price is going to move. Now, like I said, we do have data coming in today, right? So we have the jobs and the manufacturing first, which might move the markets a little bit, but I think Mr. Jerome Powell at 2:30, he's going to move the markets the most. So we're just preparing for a very volatile day. Necessarily, we want to make sure that we're in and out of our trades really quickly, paying ourselves early, and moving our stop losses into profits if we are in profits. However, we don't want to let trades run and our bias today is to the upside, okay? It's to the upside. Just because we would like to see some of this taken out where we can possibly get a fake out to the upside and continue downwards, okay? How do you think donut holes are made, AOC? I think donut holes are definitely made by you pressing the like button. Moonvember. We got a Moonvember. Okay, what's going on, French toaster? How we doing, man? The best toast. What about, okay, instead of hot apple pies, what about French toast, okay? Why don't you take that up with French toast? How many layers of French toast do you need? That is the question, okay? So, we can see that we're cooling off and preparing for a move, really. My nose is itchy this morning. Okay, so we can see on the 3-day we're cooling off, and we were going to look at this the other day because we were looking for this red dot to confirm, and it hasn't confirmed yet, so we're waiting for the next iteration of this area. But we also could see that the money flow is starting to curve down. The VWAP is pulling down. So if we do, in the next day and a bit, get a crossover here, this could be bearish for Bitcoin, okay? Something to be prepared for, okay, as the markets cool down. Now, we have had the confirmation on the 2-day, and this occur, okay? So this occurred on the 2-day, and it hasn't even brought us down that much, which means that, to me, the bulls are in control. Also, we can see the money flow curving over like this. We could get a pump right now on the 2-day. We could get a pump right now and see this all change and this just flatten out like that, okay? So we need to be cautious when looking at our oscillators because of the massive move up. Naturally, we're going to have a very much overbought area, so we need to be prepared for that. Good morning, Rodney Cowden. Hope you're doing well, man. Much love to you. Thank you for dropping by and saying hello. Hope you had a wonderful Halloween. I know I did. Ate some pumpkin pie and hung out with the grandparents. Blew all the leaves because all the leaves have fallen. And took Mrs. Otter to the doctors because we're trying to get her permanent residency in Canada, so she needed to get a checkup. Anyone still in there? So long, man. So long. I'll see you in the next one. So long. Sorry, I went there. So long. Okay, I don't like drinking out of this thing. Oh, magic. This is magic juice. Make sure you have your coffee. I mean, if you don't, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay? I'm sorry to hear that. So long. Keep pumping, soul. It's the new ETH. It's the ETH killer, as they say. Oh, man. Okay, so going back to Bitcoin, let's go on the daily here. Now we can see that we're definitely just doing the flag. Okay, we got the pattern here. Okay, here's your pattern, magic pattern. Okay, if you're a pattern trader, this looks pretty bullish. Okay, pretty bullish. However, everybody's looking at this. Okay, everybody's looking at this. So what does this mean? Protect yourself before you wreck yourself, right? Pretty much. So if you are looking to pardon me, if you are looking to long, you want to be catching the lows here, right? Right now we're getting a little bit of a pump, 34,500. We're coming up a little bit, but we want to be looking for a long. We can see that the daily has cooled off quite nicely, and we're starting to get a nice curvature here, okay? Money flow is very thick in the green, and stochastic is flat, or VWAP is flat, which means to me that VWAP at any time throughout the day can go like this, okay? Can go like this and attack that zero line, right? And you can see that money is coming back into the market here, right? You can see that money's coming back in. And we had this bullish trigger wave that pushed us up. Yes, now we've cooled down. Now we're looking to see a continuation, okay? A continuation of this move up. We're getting quite a nice move right now, okay? We've come up to 34.5. Okay, nice move, 34,550. I got it over here on my left monitor. Okay, so we're moving up right now. We could be looking for higher prices, or we could be possibly looking for a short right now, depending on your ideas of which way the market's going to go. However, going down into the 12-hour, now we can see that this is starting to look nicer. We have our key levels. We can see that money flow is still very thick. It is slowly descending, though. So for me, I'm very much watching the money flow and watching which way the VWAP is going to pull us. Okay, so we can see that the VWAP did cross over to the zero line here, and it now is below, and it is touching on the zero line yet again. However, if we do get rejected here, we could be looking for downside. We are getting a pump on Bitcoin. Wow, let's jump into it right now. Quickly look at Bitcoin. You're getting a nice move up right now. Coming up to these highs, Bitcoin is probably flying. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe we get a pump during the live stream where we can look to profit from. Where can we be looking for a short? Let's take a look quickly here, my friends. Coming up to a 786 here, possible rejection. Okay. I wouldn't want to take this just yet. This move is looking very strong. Okay, so we want to be very safe here where we can look to protect ourselves. Let's go. $48. Solana pumping as well. Link's going to bounce here possibly. Okay. Looks like we might get a move here to the upside. Already quite a nice move. 1%, 2%. Whew. Bitcoin is flying. Wow. Look at this. Bouncing off the 786. This is quite the move we are witnessing on the live stream. Hope you're here. Subscribed. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Much love to every single one of you. We did not see this pump coming. This just came out of nowhere. Just came out of nowhere. Where are our key levels of resistance, okay? We know our key levels of resistance are above us here. So we got the pattern. Let's pull up our levels. Okay, so we're above that key level of resistance. And we're coming up to see if we can continue this structure. We can see the structure here. Very much higher lows, okay? Higher highs. So we would look for this one to come up at least up to this area here. Around 34,800. Okay? But remember, don't just jump into a trade because you want to trade. Frankie said 35.2, then short. We'll have to wait and see. 35.2 in short. We're getting a little bit of a push right now. This is pretty awesome. We're looking for this to at least come up to this area here. Around 34.8, our key level of resistance for me. There's 35.2. It is marked out. However, I do want to see it come up to 35.4 would be my kind of idea if we do get up there, okay? That's kind of my idea, but we are getting quite a nice push right now off of this lower low here. Let's wait to see if we can get that move up. Massive move for Bitcoin incoming. Is it today? We got a lot of volume coming into the market. Look at this. We got the big volume push right now. A little bit of a cool off. Our people FOMOing in. Wow. Nice move up. Coming up to our key level here. Let's see if we can get rejected. Okay. This is interesting, guys. Are they doing the move before Powell speaks? I would not be shorting this right now. I would not be shorting this. It's going to wreck people. It will come back for you. It will come back for you. So don't just jump into a long right now. It will come back for you. I'm not lying. It will come back for you. Be careful with this one. Okay, be careful. What's going on, Cyan the Cryptolorian? Good morning. XRP is moving right now. Okay. Good morning. Crypto Pollo, Dave, my brother in the wrench. What's going on, Crypto Pollo? What's going on, guys? We're getting a little bit of a move here. Coming up to our key level of resistance. Key level of resistance. It could be getting out these shorts right here. It's coming up for these guys. Key level of resistance. What does the book map say? Are there anybody shorting in here? Okay, we're coming up. We got some shorts waiting at 35.1. Okay, there is quite a wall here of shorts. We'll have to be very cautious here. 34.8. We're at 34.8. We're moving up. Can we get any higher? Let's see. Let's see, Bitcoin. Come on, push it, baby. Push it. Let's see it. Big bullish candle. Lots of volume coming into the markets all of a sudden. Okay. Let's check out our Coinalyze, our CVD. Okay. Oh, we can see a divergence here. So we can see the higher high here and then the lower low here. Okay. So there is a divergence on the CVD. We can see the open interest coming up, right? Which means the price is going to shoot up. Here we go. Price is flying. Can we see the move up? 34.9. Don't FOMO in, my friends. Don't FOMO in. I'm here to tell you to not FOMO in. I think that's the key. 34.900. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. BTC's wanting to go up. It's banging on the door. Let's see if it gets up. 34.900. 34.900. $34,909. Wow. Is this to me is no bueno for a short, guys. No bueno. We do not want to be short in this right now. We are moving. We are at the key level of support. We have gotten an immense amount of volume. Do we have any news that has dropped on the space right now? I'm checking Twitter right now, and I'm also checking Crypto Panic. We got Investco Grayscale or Galaxy Spot ETF joins BlackRock. Okay, so we got another ETF joining BlackRock on the DTCC site. Okay, this could be bullish here. So BTCO joining BlackRock. Okay, so we got Investico Galaxy Bitcoin ETF has joined BlackRock as well on. So it looks like there's more companies. More companies are jumping on the bandwagon, guys. It's going to be a fire sale for Bitcoin. Who can sell the most Bitcoin ETF positions? This is history being made in the making. History in the making. Push up, man. We're getting a push. This is a short area, but we wanted to see it come up in a very gradual pattern. Right now, this is not gradual at all. And I said, don't FOMO in long. They're going to come back for you. Mrs. Otter just came back from a walk. Do you want to say hello, Mrs. Otter? Wave. Hello, you're right. Mrs. Otter is saying hello. Bitcoin's flying. I'm not in a trade, no. It did not come to my setup, but we are pumping. Pumping. Yeah, girl. Mrs. Otter says, hello, guys. Hope you're all well. We're getting the pump, baby. We're getting the pump. All right, let's see what's going on here on the short-term time frame. We got the pump. Let's see what's going on here on the short-term time frame for all you degens. For all you degens here, we're on the 3-minute. Hanging out with Alex O Crypto. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're getting a pump on the Bitcoin price. Let's go. Let's go. Can we continue up? Okay. Can we continue up? That is the question. That is the question. We are putting in new highs for this previous range. We can see that we have the beautiful uptrend all the way up here. This is very interesting. We'll have to wait and see. But we can see we are putting in higher lows all the way from back here. Higher lows, right? Higher lows, higher lows. Compressing and then popping, baby. Compressing and popping. I don't know how those dance people pop, lock, and drop it, but they do. Oh, man. Dave Digital got to check in with Piano Matty B. See you in about half an hour. Hope you have fun over there, fellow Canadian Piano Matty B. Awesome, awesome show, man. Awesome show. The man, the myth, the legend. What else do we have moving here? We have ADA popping back up. Okay. We have Link pushing back up. Solana's to the moon. So later, Solana. See you later. We got volatility index. This is a new chart. Bitcoin volume implied volatility index. And I got the Bitcoin price overlaid with this. Just taking a gander at this the other day. We got XRP moving up. We got Matic. Let's see, Matic. Matic's looking like it's ready to pop just like Bitcoin. Ethereum. Same thing, looking like it's ready to pop. Okay. And Bitcoin popping off, baby. Bitcoin popping off. Let's see if it can continue this move. Or is it just faking everybody out? Okay, is it just faking everybody out? Right now, I'm not in a trade. I was looking for a long from down here. It did not come to my level. Okay, it did not come to my level, therefore no trade. We got a nice, beautiful 1.5% move this morning. You know, we could have seen this trade possibly from down here. Okay? But right now, we let Bitcoin do its thing. To me, we are coming up to this key level of resistance. But this is not a short idea. Because of the volume, because of the way this has moved, if you're looking to short this, you're looking to get wrecked, okay? You're looking to get wrecked. It's not going to help FOMOing in right now. It's not going to help your bags. If you want to scalp this, be very, very careful, okay? Be very, very careful. For me, it's okay to see the move. We know we have more news coming out in less than an hour now, okay? So we know that we have job openings coming and manufacturing coming, and then Jerome Powell speaking at 2 o'clock today, okay? So for me, the markets are going to be volatile. We said that this morning, right when we opened up. We said we're looking for the long down here. However, the market's going to be chopping pretty wild today. And look at this. We've already gotten a beautiful 1.5% move to the upside, okay? My key levels of resistance for when this pumps and as it pumps are where we're at right now is key level. 50, 35, 200 is another key level, okay? And then my sweet spot here is around 35,400, okay? That's my sweet spot. So if we do get a move up, I look for a bearish divergence or some sort of exhaustion confirmation up here, which is a golden pocket of this range where we're looking for price to possibly move up. We do have a resistance at 35.2. Okay, so be aware of the levels above us and protect yourself. And don't get wrecked, man. Don't get wrecked. We're about healthy mindset, good risk management here, right? We want to protect ourselves to the upside, right? Be very careful. If you miss the move, there's going to be more moves, okay? One thing I had to learn a lot when I was new to trading, the moves happen. Sometimes you're not there for them, especially when I lived in Australia. I would wake up, the market had moved violently, and I was sitting there with my trades in my hand. French toaster, I feel like I need to stay away from the charts today. This is where you get wrecked, right? This is where your consistent, healthy moves over a period of time have benefited you, and then all of a sudden you decide to trade this, and it goes against you, okay? Naturally, it goes against you, and you get wrecked, okay? I want to know how many people are they getting in shorts right now. Okay, how many people are throwing on a short right now? Everybody's throwing on a short right now. I guarantee you everyone's throwing on a short. They're going to move down. They're going to wreck the guys who went long. Right? Everybody in the short, if they don't pay themselves here, they're going to get wrecked. Okay? And then it's going to pump against them. Vice versa. Okay? Vice versa. That's exactly what they do. They've pumped. Everybody's now feeling the FOMO itch. Everybody's getting emotional right now. Okay? Everybody. Everybody. Whether you're bearish or bullish, doesn't matter, right? So everybody's jumping in longs or shorts, and it's going to wreck you one way, and it's going to wreck you the other way, okay? All right? So if you are trading this, remember, protect yourself. Don't wreck yourself, man. Don't wreck yourself. All the hard work you put in throughout the week, and then you FOMO in on something stupid like this, and you waste all those efforts in one move. And that's why people don't stay profitable, okay? Massive volume wick here, guys. Massive volume wick. We're getting a couple more now, so you can see a bit of exhaustion. They're probably going to hang out here for a bit and just get everybody into trades, and then going to wreck them both ways, okay? I'm going to wreck them both ways. For me, I'm not trading this. I was looking for the trade down below. No trade, man. No trade. We're just watching. Get your popcorn out, all right? No trade, just watching it here, right? We made our bank yesterday. We made 1,800 yesterday, right? So look at that, 1,800 yesterday, right? So right now I sit down and I be patient, right? I be patient because I don't need to trade. I don't need to trade this BS. There's no setup here. This is FOMO world. So we wait, we be patient, and we see what the market presents itself, right? We can look for exhaustion in here. We can look for a divergence in here on the short-term time frame. Let's go and do that, okay? I'm just showing you guys that we're trading. We're profitable. We're watching the charts, and we're actually trading this stuff because there's a lot of people out there who aren't trading shit. Oh, they're giving you all the advice in the world, but they're not living off their trading profits, okay? We're not here to give you advice. We're here to show you how we trade. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy that kind of content. Traders helping traders. Everything's for free in this channel. So come and hang out with us. We would love to have you. Okay, so we see the move coming up. We see a little bit of a flag forming here on the short-term time frame, on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go degens, okay? Let's go degens, okay? Thanks for the wisdom, brother. Much love to you. Thank you for being here, French. Yeep. Both way wreckage incoming. Yep, that's the one, right? That's the one. That's the one. I added to my short YOLO TP aggressively. Darren does things, man. Always out there. Crushing it, man. Crushing it. We're getting the move this morning. This is interesting. So we got the move up. What were we looking at before? We were at the 12 hour. So we'll go over to the 8. We'll keep an eye. I got an eye kept on the Bitcoin price here to my left. So if we do get a move, I will jump back into the price action and let you guys know what's going on. So we're on the 8 hour here, and we can see that we're flagging up quite nicely. Okay, we'll get the volume off, and we can see that we're flagging up quite nicely here. And we're attacking that top area. Okay, the more touches, like Gareth Soloway says, more touches up here, the more we have a chance to pop through, okay? And we can see the tightening of this triangle is coming to fruition. However, there is a chance we could come down, okay? Okay, we have our key level set out above us. This is a key shorting level, but the way we've moved up into this level, it tells me stay out of it, right? Stay out of it. Don't get wrecked, okay? Don't get wrecked. Don't FOMO in. Be patient, okay? We can see money flows coming into the market quite aggressively now, and VWAP has crossed over with the green dot given from down below here, okay? You can see such a very, very nice bullish candles coming up, okay? Right? And these next candles not being able to pump lower, okay? So the closes were coming up, which is telling me a continuation pattern here, okay? Going over to the 4 hour, very much money flow was coming out, okay? Money flow, you can see, is coming out on the 4 hour, okay? However, that trend line of the money flow has been broken. Okay, we're starting to push back up. Okay, you can see. Now you can also see the VWAP is getting quite high here, so we could look for a cool down. So this is the tall tail, right? So we need to build an idea here, right? We can see momentum waves are coming down. Money flow is starting to come up into that, okay? Momentum waves coming down. Candles are pretty much flat as well, so there's no idea with that as well. So very key thing to watch is the money flow on these lower term time frames. Now the 3 hour. What is the 3 hour saying to us? Well, the 3 hour is showing me a crossover from red to green. VWAP pulling that up. And we still remain very much overbought, okay? We still remain very much overbought here on the stochastics, but the posturing is to the upside, right? The posturing is to the upside. This looks very strong right now, okay? Going over to the 2 hour, same thing, green dot starting to print, posturing to the upside, okay? If we do get the move up today, okay? This does not look like it has a lot of room on the longer term time frames. Okay, we go over the 12. Okay, we could come up here, right? We go over the daily. Oh, we can come up here, right? But to me, there's not a lot of room for us to fly, okay? Not financial advice or anything, but just objectively looking at this, we can see that we still have a lot of room to come down on the long-term time frames, okay? So it's something to be very cautious about here when we're looking for a long. The long should have been taken down here, okay? If we didn't get in, that's okay. There will be more trades, okay? There will be more trades. What is the 1 hour saying now? Now, the 1 hour, we can get into it, okay? The 1 hour says we've gotten this massive move up, and we're very much overbought right now. We're very much overbought, so we could be looking for a cool-off, okay? Could be looking for a cool-off. Right now, no trade. Be patient. We got market open in 18 minutes, okay? So right now, we've gotten the move up, and everybody and their brothers and sisters are going to want to FOMO long, right? What does that tell us psychology-wise? It tells us that we should be looking for shorts. Because if everybody wakes up and they're looking to trade the markets this morning, and they see that Bitcoin has moved 1.5%, and they think, oh, my God, I've missed the move. I need to get into a trade. Let's go long and follow the trend, right? So we need to counterthink that, right? We need to beat the retail trader. We're in competition with the retail trader, right? It's me versus you. I'm sorry to say that. But if you are thinking we just FOMO in long here and we'll be all right, and then everybody gets bullish and then gets wrecked, well, who won, right? So we have to think in opposite, right? We have to think objectively when the markets are moving like this, right? And we have to try and counter trade that, take our profits and run, and let the market wreck the rest, right? There's tons of people trading Bitcoin right now. There's tons of people trading these markets right now. Do you want to be a minnow that swims alongside the whale, or do you want to be a minnow that gets swallowed up by the whales? The choice is yours. I've done both. I've definitely done both, right? I've done both. I've been wrecked by the whales, but I've learned every loss is a lesson, right? Every loss is a lesson where we can look at what did I do wrong? Where could I have been better? How could I have gotten to this trade better? You know what? Yesterday I took a long from down here, right? I got out early. I got out here. I could have got out here. I should have held that long longer. However, I did take a profit, right? Then I took a short from here. I came out. I got out here. That was a great trade, okay? Yes, it did come back and it go lower, but within this area here, I'm sleeping. So therefore, I did a great short trade yesterday, okay? So there's many ways to trade these markets, but it's all about mindset, risk management, and understanding the way the market moves, okay? Crimson Caravan Company, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. He always comes in with the and I just do the get down. It's Arnold. Stop whining. Stop whining. Just press buy. Just press buy and say goodbye to the price. Arnold's pumping. Do you know how Arnold Schwarzenegger does cardio? Do you know how he does cardio? He lifts weights faster. He lifts weights faster. Oh man. We have too much fun here, man. We have too much fun here. I'm giving you a mindset talk, and then all of a sudden, Arnold comes in. Don't press buy, you idiot. Okay. Oh man. Okay. A little bit of a cool off, curling up here. Lunar Beaches Crypto said 1 minute chart for today. Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. The volume is cooled right down, okay? So always check on your volume. We've gotten the massive move up. Volume is cooled right off, okay? Market opens in 15 minutes. Market opens in 15 minutes. And how do we prepare for this? So everybody's FOMOing in. Curling up now, right? Could we get a double top bearish divergence? Okay, that's possible. Woo, that would be nice, wouldn't it? With this momentum wave coming up like this, a nice little this. Okay, that's a plan, right? That's a plan. Are we going to take a short within this pump? That's risky, right? That's risky. So, B Team Crypto, what's going on, my man? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. We're just looking for some trades right now. However, we have gotten a massive move to the upside. They are threatening to pump it more. And we got lots of news coming out, okay? Lots of news coming out. We got the JOLTS job openings. We got the manufacturing PMI coming. And then we have the interest rate decision, which we are well aware. Go over to your CME Fed Watch tool. Okay, it'll tell you the date. It happens in 4 hours here. And then you can jump over to December. But it's 99.2% chance that we are flat, okay? That we are staying this way at 5.5, okay? And then we'll see what happens for December. That's the thing, is once this one comes in and Jerome Powell speaks, our next indication is to go to December and look for the probabilities. Are we going to stay higher for longer, or are we going to stay flat as well, okay? That's the interesting point. Okay, so we have a lot coming out today. Today, baby, is a good day to sit on your hands and do some practice trading, right? Some paper trading, right? Oh, price is coming up here. Do I short? Do I long? Okay, this looks very bullish. I'm not going to short this, right? We can see that the move's coming up. Looking for the bearish divergence to the upside here. Possible short entry here. Okay, I got to protect myself above here. I'm targeting the bottom of this range, okay? Here's the trades. You can look for things like this, okay? You can look for things. Or maybe it's a double top, right? However, this one looks juicier to me, right? And then we could target back down into this area. Everybody and their brother and their sister getting bullish right now. We're curling back up. Look at the pump coming. Oh. Oh. Look at that. The higher high that we were looking for. The higher high we were looking for. Could be a possible setup, but look at the volume coming in right now. Push, push. I don't want to fight this. Volume's coming back into the market. I'm not fighting this. That would be a bad idea, okay? Volume coming back in. Bang, bang. Choo-choo train, okay? The Dixie. What's the Dixie doing? The Dixie's pumping, man. So the Dixie's leaving a lot of room to the downside to pump the Bitcoin price, okay? A lot of room to the downside. ES is pretty flat right now. We'll wait for the market open, which has happened, okay? So the S&P in the place to be. Let's go to the 15-minute S&P, and we can see that we have opened up. We're opening up in 12 minutes, okay? Opening up in 12 minutes. We'll have to wait and see what goes on for the S&P. Look at this push we're getting from the Bitcoin price. Holy smokes, Mackinac. We are flying. We are touching the top. Can we get higher? Wow, we're at 9.8. We are flying to the roof. Holy smokes, my friends. Holy smokes. We have a key level of resistance at 35.2. 35,200 is our first level of resistance. Okay, we are flying up here. Look at this move on the Bitcoin price. Wow. Wow. What a pump we are getting. What a pump we are getting. No bueno, no trade. We are not in a trade right now because we do not want to get wrecked, okay? We do not want to get wrecked. We can see the volumes coming back into this pump, continuing to push up. It could be the catalyst of this new news of this Galaxy Spot ETF being listed. We have the Galaxy Investco Galaxy Spot ETF being listed. This could be bullish for the markets, okay? This could be bullish for the markets also. Looking over here, we got Solana price up. We got, yes, so we have another ETF added to the Bitcoin price here. What does this mean for Bitcoin, okay? Just in, another Bitcoin spot ETF, okay? Application added to the DTCC list after BlackRock. So what does this mean, okay? Investco, Galaxy Spot BTF, okay, was also added in addition to BlackRock's, okay, which is good. Competition is good. They're probably going to launch these all at the same time, all right? The DTCC plays a very important role in the American ETF market, okay? So this is very good. This standard process for launching an ETF, however, being on the list is not an indication of success in any pending regulatory or other approval processes, okay? So bullish nonetheless, but very careful, okay? Very careful here. Very careful here, okay? Very, very careful here. Okay, we are coming up to that 35,200 area that we are possibly looking for a short. We need to be very patient, okay? Very, very, very patient here in price action, okay? Do not FOMO in, my friends. Make sure to protect yourself. Markets opening very shortly, and we are getting a nice, beautiful move from Bitcoin. We are pumping, baby. 2.5% since this morning. We are flying to the moon. Let's see if we can continue this move to the upside. Look at it go. 35.2. Here we go. Moving up. Moving on up. Wow, what a move. What a move. Okay. We are moving up to 35,200. Wow. Do not fight the trend, my friends. Look at the volume coming into the market. We are pumping, baby. Look at this beautiful, beautiful move. 35.4 was my key area. Let's see if we can get into this box and get rejected, my friends. Wow, what a move. Wow. Wow. Hey, my friends, look at this. Coming back down. Coming back down. 35.2. Whew. Look at that. Look at that. We could be looking to scalp this. It's up to you guys. Not financial advice. Markets are opening. Bitcoin is pumping. You guys are liking and subscribing. Watching this play-by-play. Don't FOMO in, my friends. Don't FOMO in. We've broken out of the triangle. We've broken out of the triangle. However, they're wrecking people now. See everybody who FOMO'd into this breakout. They are wrecking people. Look at it come down on people's heads. Look at it come down on people's heads. Retest of the triangle. Okay, this could be the retest. Wow. Wow. This is pretty awesome, guys. We have come up. We have wicked up. We have touched the highs from previous. Okay. We've touched the previous highs. We've wicked up. Look at this. We've put in a higher high here. Okay, we've put in a higher high. That's good to see. We came up to 35,257 here, and we are getting rejected. Look at this. Big rejection. Oh. Look at this. Big rejection. Retesting the lows here. Whew. Make sure you protect yourselves here, my friends. Bitcoin coming up to 35,250. Can it continue upwards, or is it going to just dump on our ass now? Okay. Wow. Massive move. Massive, massive move, my friends. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. We're here early, 8:30, Monday to Friday, getting you guys the trade setups in advance, helping you guys be profitable every single morning, talking mindset, talking risk management, helping you guys protect yourselves so you don't get wrecked on moves like this where you just want to FOMO in, press long, press buy, press short, press whatever you want to press. However, we can stay oppressed by being a victim to the market maker. So we need to be very, very careful when trading things such as this. This is nuts. Scalping XRP short right now. Stopped out my shorts, but no loss as such. This is how you get wrecked both ways. B Team Crypto's got the popcorn out, baby. He's got the popcorn out. He's got the popcorn out. That's the way to go. I'm on the B Team Crypto side. We're here with the popcorn, watching the price action. How do those auction guys go? Oh, we got a price at, we got a 34, 922, 922. Can I get a 919, 919, 19, 928, 928, 928, 928? Can I get a 938, 39, 39, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 39? Can I get a 50, 50, 50, 939, 50, 50, 50, 50, 51, 51, 51, 51? Can I get a 51? Can I get a 51? Can I get a 51? Oh, we're going to 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42. Someone clip that. I just clowning, man. Just clowning, having a good time with you guys. Thank you guys for being here, man. This is incredible. We got 18, 19 people in the stream. Don't forget to subscribe. Check us out, man. Free Discord. Link is in the description below. Great community. We were looking for the trades today, so make sure to protect yourself before you wreck yourself. Join us in the free Discord. Great group of traders. We out here. The Otter Gang. Much love to everybody. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys for your support. This has been a great live stream. We've gotten massive moves here. We've been getting everybody wrecked. Everybody pumping, dumping, lumping in. Investco is coming out with some ETF. Massive moves this morning. The spot Bitcoin ETF joins the party. Okay, that's the news today on Cointelegraph. Most FUD around. Look at this. We got the BTCO, Investico. I wonder what the fees are for this one for them to manage your Bitcoin. Probably extortionate. Therefore, buy on a safe exchange. Don't buy an ETF unless you have no idea how to cold storage your crypto, my friends. So look at this massive pump and dump that we can see on the Bitcoin price. Were you bullish or were you bearish? What did your mind say to do? Did your mind say, when this pump, ask yourself these questions, okay? When this pump occurred, okay? We look at this pump. When this occurred, what was your mind telling you when this happened here? That was saying FOMO in, wasn't it? Don't lie to me. Ask yourself. When this happened here, that was saying FOMO in. Okay? And you're like, oh, I could have got out here. No, you wouldn't have. You're not that ninja, man. I'm not that ninja. Maybe Darren does things as that ninja, okay? What was your mind saying when we pumped up here? FOMO in? Or when we were coming here? Short it. What was your mind saying short it up here? You got to ask yourself these questions, okay? And this is how you can objectively look at the way you're thinking, and you can change your psychology, right? You can change the way you're thinking. We need to prepare for these things because these things happen, and we don't want to get wrecked, right? We don't want to get wrecked. Look at this. Look at this. They're dumping on your guys' asses. They're dumping on your asses. Massive move to the downside, coming down to this key level of support. Are they retesting this ascending triangle? Are they coming up here, retesting it, only to pump it on your ass again? These are no trade areas, okay? This is no trade area. No bueno. No bueno. I want to trade it. Look at this. Dumping on your ass, man. Down to 740, all the way from 35 to 275, 264, okay? So we did come up to that area. Look at this. They're retaking all of these guys, man. Look at this. Pump and dump on your ass. Holy smokes, Batman, okay? Holy smokes, Batman. This is wild. This is wild, okay? They're coming back for all of you guys. They're coming back for all of you guys. You got no chance, that's what you got. Isn't that a song? No chance, that's what you got. No chance, that's what you got. Right? Isn't that Ric Flair? You got no chance, that's what you got. Right? FOMO and long now? Is this a FOMO long situation? What is this? Okay? What is this? Alex O'Crypto, how do you trade this? You stay out. That's how you trade this. You stay out. Look at this, man. Bears wrecked. Bulls wrecked. Then we got Jerome speaking later. Look, we're falling right back down into where we were trading this morning. Right back down. Are the market makers happy with how many people they just wrecked? How many people just got wrecked, right? Whew. Right back down into the range, man. What did we say? We said it. We had our key level above here. We didn't get to that key level. Just below or just above 200. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Massive dump on everybody's ass. Holy smokes, Batman. We're back down to 34.5, man. Market has opened. Market has opened, my friends. The ES is pumping. The S&P has opened up high, coming down low. The Dixie is pushing to the roof, to the moon. The Dixie is flying. We're looking for it to come up to the 107 area and get rejected. It is currently at 107. Can it get rejected from here to the downside, which would mean Bitcoin will pump, okay? The ES pushing. The S&P dropping down, but opening up high, dropping down, possibly filling up this gap, and then continuing upwards, okay? Bitcoin, big wick, big daddy wick, okay? Big daddy wick. Pushing everybody up, wrecking them to the downside. A very big V-shaped recovery in this direction, okay? Back down to our range, man. Back to our boring range. Look at this massive move from Bitcoin, okay? If you grab the short from here, congratulations, but we could be coming back up to get you. Okay? We could be coming back up to get you. Today is going to be a very volatile day, okay? Very volatile day. I'm going to leave you guys with this, okay? I'm going to leave you guys with this. Thank you guys so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you. Is that we have news coming out here. If you want me to come live during the 2 o'clock, 2:30 press conference, just let me know in the Discord. I will gladly come on. Profits taken on XRP. Thanks to you, Alexo, helping resist. I didn't enter short early and maximize profits. Thank you. No problem. Anything for you, my friend. Thank you for being here. Cyan, the Cryptolorian, my man, the myth, the legend himself. So yeah, if you want me to come on at 2 o'clock, I will gladly do so. Just let me know in the Discord. However, protect yourselves, my friends, okay? It's 9:30. The market has opened. We are looking for the S&P to continue its little trek upwards here in the short-term time frames. Continue its little trek upwards. It's got some key resistance here. A nice area is 42.34-ish area. We have a nice gap. We can look for it to aim up there. The Dixie is pumping up. We're looking for it to cool off so that Bitcoin continue its way upwards, okay? We did get bullish news this morning, so be prepared for anything, my friends. Be prepared for anything. Remember to use good risk management, healthy mindset, all those good things. And smash that like button on your way out. If you enjoyed this content, if you want to see more of it, much love to every single one of you guys, okay? I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for all your love and support. I will be here in the Discord every day, Monday to Friday, 8:30. Best beatbox in crypto. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for supporting this channel, being my friend, and hanging out. I will see you guys tomorrow, if not later today. All right, take care. Much love, and peace.